Welcome back. In this video, we're going to see one really interesting Jira operation. Imagine this scenario. You created an issue, but you created it in the wrong project. So as you can see, we have our test project where we have been adding the epics, stories, and so forth. And in another project, there's another issue. So Jira has a solution to take the issue from this project and put it into this project. Let's see how that works. So we open the issue, go to more, and we click on move. So we can move then this issue from one project to the other. What's also nice is, so you can not just move it, but if by any chance you also want to change the type, you can also do that. We're not going to do it at the moment, but it's always good to know that that is available as an option. So let's see, we have the new project, we have the type, we press next. And this is what happens when you're not paying attention. So I'm trying to move it from the same project to the same project. Okay, now let's select this is the correct project, select next. Now we get information of which fields are going to be updated. The status update. And now we have the confirmation. Let's see if it works. So we have the REST test project. Let's refresh it. No more issues here. Okay. And we have the test project 1 project. Let's refresh. And now we see the previous one is here. That's all about moving. In the next video, we're going to deal with another operation. See you in the next one.